My name's Jim Lefevre. I've worked here for JB Hostetters for 41 years. In the television department, we carry the two major brands, Sony and Samsung. We do have some DVD players to integrate with them. We have a very good line of accessories, hookup cords, plugs, connectors for do-it-yourselfers, plus a full line of Ethernet cables and plugs and ends. We do basic in-home hookup free of charge. We'll go out and make sure the TV's working for them when they leave. We go there, we'll hook it up for them and show them how to use the remote, and the TV will be working when we go out the door. It's very satisfying to have a customer come in and say, hey, that you told me the other day really worked out. It really got me out of the jam, and they're just overjoyed. And I'm very glad to help people solve their problems.